Hello, my freeze-drying friends. Happy Easter! Can you guess what I am freeze-drying today? We love to have fun around holidays here at our house. I, had to put on some of my kids' Easter things for this video, but these are bugging me. So I will lose the glasses, but I will keep our cute little bunny ears. And I even added a little Easter decoration to my background for our fun Easter video that I have coming at you today. If it's nice and springy and beautiful weather out where you live, I am extremely jealous. Here in Alaska, we got a nice dumping of snow this morning. We are getting towards the nice, beautiful Alaskan summer that we are famous for here. But right now, it feels like it's taking forever to get here. We will get there, it's coming, but today was a setback. Okay, I am going to show you what I am freeze drying today. It's gonna be so fun. First, I'm going to get the freeze dryer started. I'm gonna show you my settings. I'm hitting customize and I'm already in high temperature candy mode. When you are in standard settings, they are here. All you do is increase your temperature. 150 is the highest it goes. That's what I've been doing my candy on. And I like to run it for like 4 to 5 hours. I'm gonna do this one at 4 hours. These top two settings don't matter. When we engage candy mode, it skips all of the freezing and all it is doing is drying it at a high temperature. So you don't need to worry about these two right here, just the bottom two. I'm gonna hit save and start. And we wait. Sorry, normally when you hit start, it cools down for 15 minutes, but I just took a batch of candy out of this freeze dryer, so it already is cooled down. So it's just waiting for me to load the trays and turn this button to on. So I am going to get the trays prepared so you can see what we got today. It is a bunch of fun Easter candy. I went with my kids to Target about a week ago to pick out the candy that we're gonna freeze dry for Easter. We have these cute Easter marshmallows that are in cute little Easter bunny shapes. We got a couple of these giant Peeps. Those should be fun. I got some regular Peeps to show you guys. I've already done some of these and I'm telling you, if you don't like Peeps, which I don't prefer these regular marshmallow Peeps, but freeze-dried, these seriously are so good. If you don't like Peeps, you gotta try them freeze-dried. Ah! Okay, what else? We found these sour Easter Trolli gummy candies. The Trolli sour worms freeze dry great, so I am hoping that these will freeze dry. That will be fun. We found this cute little bottle of egg-shaped bubble gum. I don't expect these are gonna do anything, but we're gonna throw them on the tray and just see what that's like. We got this egg chocolate marshmallow. If you remember, chocolate doesn't really freeze dry, but if things are inside of it, it can puff up and be kind of cool. So we are gonna see what this does. Let's see, oh, here's my other giant Peep. I got a couple of Easter Nerds ropes. Excited to try this. I've done the Nerds gummy clusters, which so good, one of my favorite freeze-dried candies. We're gonna try the rope. I haven't done a rope yet. And lastly, we're throwing some cotton candy on the tray. Haven't done this either, but thought this would be fun. I'm going to get this unpackaged and onto my trays. I will show you a video of me doing that, and then we will get them loaded into the dryer. All right, here are my trays. I think this is the cutest freeze drying trays of candy or food that I have ever done. These guys are adorable. Can't wait to see how they look. Here's our cute blue bunnies, our gumballs. These are our marshmallows. Aren't those adorable? Our chocolate marshmallow egg. Cotton candy, which had little mini dried marshmallows in the cotton candy itself. So we got that. More marshmallows. Here are our sour bunny heads. Look how adorable. And our Nerds rope with the Easter colors. This is so fun. I cannot wait to see how these turn out. Okay, all that I have left now is to load up the trays. So here we go. Make sure my cotton candy is kind of flat because it's kind of sticking up a little. Let's put these guys in the top. Doesn't really matter. Okay, closing up the dryer. I'm gonna hit my candy processed on. Close the drain valve. And hit continue. It's gonna ask to warm trays. I just hit start. There we have it. This is now freeze drying. All of this candy should be done before my kids get home from school, and we will do our taste test with the kiddos. They are going to be so excited to see how all of this candy turns out. I am excited too. It is so fun doing little holiday fun times. This is something that would be so fun to do with your family, your kids, or your grandkids, just to have a little change to the traditional Easter candy. So I will check back in with you guys once this is finished for our taste test. In the meantime, see you guys later. Welcome back. It is 5 hours later. Our freeze dryer is done. I'm forgetting my ears. And oh no, my eggs fell down. Oh well. Now I'm the Easter woman. There's a little sneak peek at how they look. Even the bubble gum expanded, which I was surprised about that. Let's get these out. I'm going to open my drain valve. And I am going to start a new candy batch after I remove this candy. So I am just going to hit that button. And so now, once I get these out and get it ready to go, all I gotta do is stick the new candy back in and do my next candy batch. I can't even believe this. These turned out so fun. First of all, look how huge this is. This is like twice the size of what it was before. This chocolate marshmallow egg like tripled in size. Our marshmallows stayed the same but definitely hardened. Here's our little bunny sour worms. Not sour worms, sour bunnies. Those puffed up. Our Nerds rope look awesome. They kind of look like worms. Can't wait to try that. Our cotton candy feels exactly the same. That did not do anything. Our gum, look, that even like expanded. I'm excited to give that a try. And there's our cute little peeps. My kids will be home from school shortly and we will do the taste test with them. They are going to be so stoked to try this. I mean, I'm stoked to try it too. This turned out so fun. totally recommend. I also wanted to let you know that I have a big announcement that I am super excited about. I was approved for being an affiliate with Harvest Right. Harvest Right is the brand that makes my freeze dryer, and they make freeze dryer accessories, all that kind of stuff. I am now an affiliate partner with Harvest Right. So if you are interested in doing the type of things I'm doing, freeze drying, candy, food, all of the things on your own in your own home, you can shop through my custom affiliate link to get all of your freeze dryer wishes. What being an affiliate with Harvest Right means is that I will earn a small commission if any of you purchase a freeze dryer or freeze dried accessories through my affiliate link. I will have my link for shopping listed in the description of this video, and all of my future videos will have my link. So if you're ever ready to jump the gun and purchase a freeze dryer for yourself, you can shop through my link. It'll link you right to the Harvest Right website, where you can find all of the information that you need about freeze dryer, about the sizes and the different types of freeze dryers that they sell, all the accessories that they have. That will all be in my custom link for you to enjoy. And I do sincerely thank any of you who do shop through my link. That directly benefits myself and my family as we're on this new freeze drying adventure, and I just appreciate all of your support. I also appreciate all of your support just from interacting with my videos, subscribing, liking, commenting. That all supports me and helps me grow, and that just means so much to me. So thank you all for being here. I've learned so much in this short time that I've been doing these videos. Oh my goodness, look who I have here. Look, my little bunny friend. Say hi. Hi. Okay, now we're down here. Oh, we're two little bunnies. Oh. So anyway, thanks for your support. You guys are the best. We will catch you in just a few minutes to do our Easter candy taste test. Woo-hoo! What time is it, kids?
Taste test time!
Here are the goodies that we are taste testing. I think we're gonna start off with the Peeps. So
we each get a whole.
Okay. Well, first we're just taking one bite because we got lots to test. Go. So good?
Yeah.
I just want to show you the texture of the freeze-dried Peep. Like, it definitely plumps up and it gets like crunchy and airy. These taste so good.
This is next. No, cotton candy.
Delicious. Okay, why don't you guys try the cotton candy? That feels the exact same, but go ahead and try it anyway. Tell me if it tastes different than regular.
It's better than like crime.
Yeah,
It doesn't dissolve that fast.
Oh, okay. Okay, mini bunny marshmallow. I hear the crunch. I hear the crunch. What do you think?
Come on.
These are similar to the Peep. The crunch, the melt in your mouth, so good. All right, we're going for the giant Peep. They're each gonna take a bite of an ear. Does it taste just like the smaller Peep, but just in big form?
It's a little bit more sugary.
Okay, we might get a little sick on all this sugar, but YOLO! Can you guys say YOLO?
Yellow.
All right, Lincoln's gonna be the first one to try the giant marshmallow chocolate.
At the same spot.
Okay,
I might
Priya.
take back.
Good idea. Oh boy. They all say this is good.
My teeth are covered in chocolate.
Mmm. This is better than the Peep. It's a little more airy and fluffy inside, and I just love the chocolate on the outside. Okay, next is the Nerds Rope. You can see how fun these turned out.
Oh, very easy to bite. So soft.
So soft. Those look good. Okay. You can see up close how they're just like little pockets of crystallized sugary air in there. Yum. Okay, next we have the sour gummy bunnies.
I never tried these. What's next?
Mmm. That was good. Those definitely puffed up and became crunchy, but they're still very chewy on the inside and get stuck in your teeth majorly. But they taste good. Last but not least, we are trying these gumballs. They kind of puffed up. I am curious if once they get to chewing, if it turns back into bubble gum. Go ahead. Okay, now that you've chewed it up, what happened?
It turned to gum.
So now you all got gum.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for showing us. No, we get the picture. Okay, thanks for playing. Bye. That was a whirlwind. That was so much fun. Thank you all for watching our fun Easter celebration video. I hope you all have a wonderful Easter and that you get to spend time with your family and just have fun enjoying the spirit of the Easter season. I love Easter. Thank you for following along. I will see you on the next freeze drying adventure. Bye.